Today I will start with the new concept, and that is functions in Python. It is one of the topic, it is not new, but it seems to be new. It's not that we have never used them. Throughout our 11th, we were using them. But it is just the only difference is that we didn't know that this particular thing will be called as function later on. So let's talk what is function. Functions are the subprograms. What are subprograms? The small parts of the programs, the small little fragments of the program are the subprograms. When you divide your program into little small issues related to the task, आप उन्हें छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर देते हैं, तो independently they all become functions. So functions are the subprograms that perform specific tasks. Now that task could be anything. If you will make a function of addition, it will be accomplishing the task of addition only. Same way, if you will be making a function of multiplication, it will be doing the task of multiplication only. So whatever function we require, we make that keeping our task in our mind, and according to that task, we write the statements in the function body. So again, I'm repeating the definition for better clarity. Functions are the सब programs. ये वो छोटे छोटे parts हैं program के जो कुछ specific particular task को achieve करते हैं, and they are themselves called as small modules. This I will talk later, that what is module, and that you will come to know कि हम इन्हें module भी कह सकते हैं. Now we have, it is written here that there are two types of functions. It is written that we have two types of functions, but for explaining it has given three types. So let's talk. सबसे पहले हैं आपके पास library functions. Second are functions defined in modules, and third are the user defined functions. Now what are built-in function? ये नाम से ही सुनने में लग रहा है कि ये वो functions होंगे जो पहले से बने हुए हैं, who are already built in, हमें बनाने नहीं है. So they all will be termed as built-in function. Next, it is talking about the functions which are defined in modules. Now what are those functions which are defined in modules? The best example are pow function, sqrt function, ceil function, store function. These all functions about which I am talking, we need to import one file, and that is math. So the functions which are defined in modules, to use them we have to import the file in which they are defined. So let me read the definition loudly again for you all. The functions, ये बेटा हाँ, तो हम बात कर रहे हैं बिल्ट इन फंक्शन के बारे में. दोबारा से तीनों के बारे में ही बात करते हैं. लाइब्रेरी फंक्शंस कौन से हैं जिन्हें यूज करने के लिए आप किसी भी मॉड्यूल की हेल्प नहीं ले रहे हो? फॉर एग्जाम्पल टाइप, len फंक्शन, इनपुट फंक्शन, int फंक्शन, float फंक्शन, str, id फंक्शन, ये सब वो फंक्शंस हैं जिन्हें हम जस्ट आइडियली पाइथन में ओपन करके यूज कर रहे हैं, और उन्हें यूज करने के लिए हम किसी भी मॉड्यूल को इंपोर्ट नहीं करते, किसी भी एक्स्ट्रा फाइल की हेल्प नहीं लेते. So they all comes under the category of library functions or built-in functions. Next, we were talking about the functions defined in modules. The functions which are defined in modules, and to use those functions we have to import the module. जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जांपल दिया, मैथ के किसी भी फंक्शन को यूज करने के लिए हम मैथ को इंपोर्ट करते हैं.